All right, everybody, let's take a tour of our garden. Here is a random broccoli. Didn't have space for it anywhere else, so I planted it there. Here's a pepper and another pepper hiding under the broccoli. A nice cabbage. Another cabbage that the bugs seem to be getting through. Here's a kale. And a ginormous yellow squash plant. I can't see any squash under there. Here's our pole beans going up the trellis. Some tomatoes over here. Can't remember which variety right now. If you go across the trellised area, we have some, I think these are Boston pickling cucumbers, doing quite nice. There's one. There's a few in here. I just harvested some last night. And then down here, we have our onions. We're growing 2 different kinds of onions this year. They look like they're doing pretty well. Here are our sweet potatoes. And if we come around the other side, we have some more potatoes. 2 different varieties of these. I think we have some white ones and some red ones. I don't remember the names off the top of my head. And some more pole beans. First year doing pole beans. They seem to be doing quite well. There's some beans. More tomatoes. We've planted lots and lots of tomatoes. These are our shelling peas. We need to pick some of those. They're almost done. They do not like the summer heat. Here's all of our tomatoes. There's 1, 2. Look at the size of those tomatoes. They are starting to crack a little bit, but they are really big tomatoes. These are a little bit younger tomatoes. And some basil. And another kale plant. This is our stevia plant. I haven't decided quite what I'm going to do with that yet. Purple basil. More tomatoes. I believe these are our beefsteak tomatoes. It amazes me how big these are. Here are aroma tomatoes. Where are they? There's a couple of them in there. If I can get it to focus. There we go. Quite a few tomatoes in there. And right next to them. So we have 3 Roma tomatoes. I think these ones are Amish paste here at the end. And they are starting to turn. Look at those colors. Not long and we will have some tomatoes. Down here we have some parsnip plants that I saved the seeds for. We had a groundhog eating our parsnips. So here is what's left of the parsnip plants. Some chamomile from last year that reseeded itself. And carrots. Lots and lots of carrots. Also have, right here are some little cantaloupe plants. So we have one here and one here. This one's not doing so well. Oh, looks like it got eaten by something too. Wonderful. Here are more cucumbers. I believe this is a Boston cucumber, pickling cucumber. And another yellow squash plant. There's one growing down there. Some bush beans, more green beans. Another purple basil. A little grasshopper for the garden. And some beets that I have. I already harvested some beets. These are the stragglers, weren't quite ready yet. I'm trying trellising our zucchini plant, seeing how that goes, but I just put it up on the trellis. This is just some sulfur dust. There's a little zucchini growing. Harvested quite a few zucchini. This is what's left of our dill plant and the marigold. I just planted this black tomato from my aunt, and I hope that it tastes good. She says it tastes good. Here's another kale and some more peppers. Oh, there's a pepper. This is our banana pepper. And this is our poblano pepper. I'm just waiting for this to get bigger. It's not quite big enough. And some more pepper plants. Well, that is it for our garden. And I will take you on a tour of the orchard at a different time.